Villages are the heart of our nation. Most of the Indian population, even today, resides in the villages. The road for our country's development is through villages. So, we need to make our villages smart. For this purpose, we have carried out a project. I, Sejal Shekre,
I, Chaitanya Bangar,
And I, Laksh Ramchandani,
we, the students of Class 11 Commerce of Golden Jubilee School Jalna, would like to thank the Atal Marathon 2020 for providing us this wonderful opportunity to work on the project on the topic Innovate to Develop Solutions to Transform Villages and Towns to make them hybrid and smart. We would also like to thank our principal, Priya Peter ma'am, Nitin Khajakar sir, and Sheetal Ramchandani ma'am for guiding us during this project.
Our government is aware about the importance of rural development, but there still lacks implementation of government schemes and policies in villages to make them smart. Our country follows the policy of one nation, one election, one nation, one ration card. So, why not develop a single solution which will solve all the problems of the people living in villages and help make villages smart? During our project, we carried out several telephonic interviews, Zoom calls, and video calls with people living in villages. Asked them about the problems they faced, what help did they expect from the government, what other facilities and services were required by them to make their village smart. Depending on their answers, we innovated several ideas which will help make their villages smart. And further, we carried out a survey. Due to this pandemic, we could not conduct an offline survey, so we conducted an online survey using Google Forms. Now, my friend Laksh will explain you about the survey that we carried out.
known to one and all present here. In our survey, we presented the responses were given by 62.4% of males and 35.3% of females. Then we asked them to rate the solutions of innovative ideas to make the villages into smart and hybrid according to their opinions. So we have got their following opinions. First, our initiative was that every household should have at least one functional bank account and they should also have the knowledge to use it, because nowadays all the transactions are done online through bank, and it is also safe to do the transactions online, so they should learn how to use the facilities of the bank. So to our this initiative, 80.2% of people agreed. Now moving on to the next initiative, we thought that every household should have easy access to mobiles and internet and knowledge to use it, because today's world is a digital world and digital literacy is most important as it makes our life easy in this world also. So to our this initiative, 51.5% of people have agreed. Now moving on to the next initiative, we thought that we should increase road connectivity and construct stations for railways to improve the transportation in the villages, because the infrastructural development is a base to make the villages smart and hybrid. So to our this initiative, 65.4% of people have agreed. Now moving on to the next initiative, we thought that companies should fulfill their corporative social responsibility or CSR by adopting some villages and work for its development, because if each company starts spending some of their profit for the development of village they adopted as a cooperative social responsibility, so it will help the villages to develop more faster. So to our this initiative, 50.8% of people have agreed. Now moving on to the next initiative, we thought that women and girls should be given skill training and equal opportunities to empower them, because women are the future of the nation, and if they are given equal opportunities they will also contribute to the development process. So to our this initiative, 72.5% of people have agreed. Now moving on to the next initiative, we thought that we should promote social rural tourism to strengthen the economy by developing it, because tourism will attract not only the people of our country but also the foreigners to visit the place, which will increase the employment opportunities there. So to our this initiative, 55.4% of people have agreed. Now moving on to the next initiative, we thought that we should provide 24 by 7 backup energy along with tower which will provide multiple services to the villages like mini ATMs, because this type of towers will help the villagers in many ways like banking, education, business development, distance learning and etc. So to our this initiative 95.3% of people have agreed. Now moving on to the next initiative, we thought that e-business and e-education should be given to the people residing in the villages and towns, because this will encourage digital literacy among the villagers, and this is the best initiative taken towards making villages hybrid and smart. So to our this initiative 84% of people have agreed. Now moving on to the next initiative, we thought that installing learning sections for the students of village areas is important, which will consist of educational material and questioning computer. This is because it is important to give them online education and importance of online education. So to our this initiative 83.7% of people have agreed. Now our last and the best invention or initiative taken was to promote organic farming in the villages. To our this invention or implementation 98.3% of people have agreed. Thank you.
We are here with an app named Gramin Seva, one app for all the problems. So firstly, the users will have to enter their name and Aadhaar card number. This will help government to track the people who are using this app. If the government will have the details of the people, it will be easy for government to contact the people and provide them required assistance. Then, after that, they will have to select their gender, as this app also provides special facilities for women and girls to provide them equal opportunities and empower them. Empowering women will play a key role in making villages smart. After that, various categories will be displayed according to the requirement or necessity of the people. People can choose the category in which they require assistance, knowledge or want to complete. The categories displayed are based on Sustainable Development Agenda and are considered the pillars of the development if we want to make villages smart. Now, if I select the business category, then it will show subcategories like agriculture, small businessmen, handicraft and cottage industry and other services. These are the basic business carried out in rural areas. If we want to eradicate poverty and unemployment to make villages smart, the business in rural areas should flourish, and for this purpose, our app will provide help and knowledge about all businesses activities, right from production, transport, marketing to sales. Agriculture is the main business carried out by the people in village areas to earn their livelihood. If villagers are going to become smart, then agriculture also has to become smart. For this purpose, our app is going to help farmers equip their agriculture with technology, modern irrigation facilities, HYV seeds, fertilizers and pesticides, and also in the sale of their produce directly to government by MSP or to consumers through online market. Also, farmers can contact government for any other aid that they need. We know that many people are not good at English and even are not well educated. So this app has a special feature of voice command and can work on voice. Even we can voice search for any problem. If you click on voice command, it will automatically start. It can even be operated using vernacular languages. So this feature will help villagers a lot. Select handicraft and cottage industry. It will show market strategy, option to sell product online, even option to recruit laborers and skill training and knowledge and many other things which will help in digitalization of business and make the businesses in village smart and hybrid. Go back and select health category, then health tab will be open, and in that hospital, order online medicine, balanced diet, recommended exercise and others options are available. As we know, healthcare is another major concern for people living in rural areas. They don't have access to hospitals and medicines. Also, they don't have proper nutritional status and are unaware about the importance of balanced diet and exercise to keep our body fit. This app will provide them all the required details. our app, they can get information about nearest doctors and hospitals and their contact details. Apart from this, they can also order medicines online using our app and can contact government to know about more schemes for healthcare or complain about the existing healthcare facilities. Now, if I go back and select education category, as we know, education plays a vital role in determining the quality of human resource. Thus, to make villages smart, its people should also be made smart. This app will facilitate different type of education for boys as well as girls. Students can opt for online distance learning courses as well as offline courses. Now, if I select courses, this app provides a huge range of options of courses that students can choose from according to their own will and interest. If I go back and select banking sector can help people of village financially. They can even open bank account, apply for loan, perform online transaction, or know about other bank schemes by government by using our app. Now I will go back and select employment sector. To make villages smart, poverty, elevation and solving the problem of unemployment is necessary. For this purpose, our app has provided an excellent idea whereby people will just have to enter their qualification and skill details, and this app will provide them find a good and suitable job. Other than this basic and preliminary problems and areas of concern, there are other needs and requirement of people as well, like access to 24/7 electricity, supply of potable water, cooking gas at subsidized rate, food grains and grocery through ration shops. All this necessity can be fulfilled using our app. Just we need to do is select other categories tab. Now it will show options like electricity, gas cylinder, water, ration and many other things. Electricity or energy is one of the major requirements for the modern technologies that are used in process of making villages smart. So our app provides facility to ask for meter connection, paying bill online and also creation of more energy sources within the village using renewable sources, and complaint facility is also available. Now I'll go to gas cylinder section. Women in villages household even today cook using firewood. It is an environmental as well as health concern. So our app provides them access to cooking gas, facility to pay online, subsidized rate of cooking gas, and also knowledge about the government's Ujjwala scheme. Even water is fundamental need for survival. There still exist villages that get water supply once a week or once in 15 days. To provide villages with 24/7 water supply, teach them methods to conserve water and suggest them modernized ways of irrigation and provide them clean drinking water, our app will help. As I stated earlier, our app has voice command. So this app can be used by each and everyone living in village. We have provided space for some suggestions and for launching complaints of the people so that their problems and issues can directly reach the government and quick action can be taken to solve it. Lastly, we expect that our innovation of this app will solve all the problems of people in rural areas and help villages develop more and more through this app. We have tried to provide solutions to all problems that need to be resolved to make villages smart and hybrid under one roof. Hope this is beneficial. Thank you.